cutting my own hair at 2 a.m. in the morning. When I'm gone. Hey.
Welcome to today's mukbang, guys. Today we're eating hair.
Liquid courage. Okay. Really bad idea to drink and cut hair. Hi, guys. I will be.
Hi, Mai.
If you don't know me, it is Mai. Hi, hello. Today, as you guys can see from the title, I will be cutting my hair. This is how my hair looks like right now. I have a bit of extensions on, but we're gonna be taking that off and giving me a whole new vibe. I'm actually really scared for this because all my life I've had long hair, I would say, and if I don't have long hair, I always have extensions, but I've never really cut it short because I honestly have not been confident enough in myself, and I honestly don't think I can pull off short hair, but I want to try it today and just push myself off the cliff and push myself out of my comfort zone. And we have Soy here with us today. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi guys, my name is Soy. I'm a professional hair cutter of 5 seconds ago.
As you guys know, we're in quarantine right now, so we can't really go to a salon.
Don't go, stay home.
And we gotta be good girls and stay at home. You know, make do with what we gotta do. As you can see, my roots is very, very bad right now.
But honestly, it's quarantine, no one really cares.
Except when you're looking at yourself in the mirror and you're just like,
day.
why are my roots so bad?
Not to
Why
look in
is
the
my
mirror.
hair so damaged?
Almost as damaged as we are.
Oh no!
Can you tell them about your hair history?
I'm honest. Oh, it feels like an interview. I have been dyeing my hair for the past 4 years of my life. I have been purple, I have been green, I haven't been green. I have been purple, pink for a really long time. I have been blonde, I have been silver, I have been...
I cut some of my hair.
No way.
Yeah.
Where? Honestly, we're just making this video because we need to spice up our quarantine life. It's been pretty like chill.
I like it.
And like chill's great and all, but when it's too much chilling.
And if you're looking to cut hair at home, remember that we are not hairstylists. It's on a professional video, so don't try this at home if you're not confident.
First off, before we go into this adventure of shopping this baby off, we're gonna call our hairstylist friend. His name is James and he has been cutting our hair for a little bit now, so we're gonna ask him what advice he has for us because we don't know what we're getting ourselves into. Let's call our special guest, aka hairstylist, aka hair god, aka
Michelle Obama!
no, far from that. We're gonna be calling James Meet You. Give me love, give me love. Don't be shy, put some more. Also, do you guys like my pants?
No.
They're elephant pants.
Let's speak about the elephant in the room.
Hi! Can you say hi to everyone and introduce yourself?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to the gay channel.
The gay channel!
Do you guys know what we're trying to do right now?
Cut.
Like what is a utensil people should use at home? Like forks, knives, like what do you suggest for cutting hair?
The sharpest scissors you have.
The sharpest scissors?
We only have one.
Number 1, you need sharp scissors. We don't have that, but we're still gonna move on.
Okay. Step 2. Make sure it's straight.
Should she wet it? Do you think wetting it is better?
It's easier, but
What's step 3?
step 3 is, oh my god, I don't know. Step 3 is go to beauty school.
What I'm thinking, I've seen it on TikTok a lot. It's like you split your hair into 4 parts, like here, and then like 2 here, and then you cut each on the same length.
Yeah,
I don't understand. Why is hair cutting so hard? I literally was just gonna go and like is it really that hard? Is it that complicated?
I mean, people go to beauty school for this.
do that, but
You know?
if it's enough,
People spend like
it's really
80 hours in beauty school for this.
basically section it around your ear,
Like this,
move that to the front.
and then
And
cut.
then basically everything in the back, push it to behind your back and cut it straight behind there.
Oh my god. Oh, like here?
How are you gonna do that?
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Fucking creepy. Okay, thank you, James.
Thank you, James.
We'll call back in like an hour to show you the results. So damn it. It's pretty sharp, right, guys? We're just gonna do this. So step 1, got the scissor. Step 2,
Wet your hair.
wet your hair. Step 3,
Cut.
cut. First of all, I need to take out my extensions, and you guys are gonna see how damaged my hair actually is.
Dun dun dun!
Ooh. 1, 2.
It takes an army, guys.
Thank you. Insert name here for these clip-ins. Ooh. So I usually wear my extensions every day, basically. My real hair is this short.
So basically, as you can tell, like her healthiest part of her hair, the regrowth, is like basically here, right? You can tell by the breakage and the split ends that this is like old bleach. And
Okay, she's a hairstylist.
no, but like the back's really bad, which means we're gonna have to.
That's the she's
Can
gonna.
I try cutting it with a knife?
Hell no.
Oh. What about fire? I've seen that on the video.
Hell no. We're gonna go and wet my hair right now and we're gonna come back. I'm nervous. Even though I know it's not that big of a difference, it's still a big difference to me.
Just kidding.
Ah! As James said, you have to section to the front. Ooh! First cut. I want to like buy my necklace right here. Like here. First cut.
You cut it? Looks good. It looks pretty sharp to me. Mustachio Christian.
Second cut. Ah!
You're meant for this life.
Ah!
Like here? It's not.
Ah!
Honestly, you should be cutting it where there's no more split ends.
Then that's my whole head.
Over here?
Ah! Oh my god. Oh my guys. I can't. Oh my god.
It's okay, it's okay.
Let's just go to the back.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. I don't know anything about hair cutting.
Buddy, you cut it too short.
Buddy, I didn't even cut it. I didn't cut your hair.
Buddy,
Buddy, stop talking.
I can't see.
It's okay. Just trust. Trust the process. Oh, God.
Ah! Ah!
Looks good. Buddy, it looks good.
Okay, do the rest, do the rest. Do the rest. Do the rest, do the rest.
I better get a good tip after this. Wow, that was really good. Oh my god, actually not straight, but it's because of the scissors.
Oh my god, I feel it on my back.
Buddy, you can't move. You ruined my cutting. Oh my god, it's so hard to do it straight with these scissors. Wow, really not straight. Not bad.
Oh, I look kind of cute.
Not bad.
I look kind of cute, buddy.
I did a good job, right? Not bad.
Good
New
job.
career path. I like the difference in you cutting and me cutting. You're like, and I'm like,
Whoa. Oh my god, it feels so like
lighter.
much lighter. I kind of like it. Buddy, feel it. Oh my god. Fuck you. Damage as fuck.
I really like it, but I just want to clean it up.
Buddy, what are you gonna do? The back is kind of like.
Not bad.
Wait, no. Whoa! First off, we're gonna be getting some reactions. I'm gonna try to get reactions from people to see how they think of this hair. And yeah, first person I'm gonna be calling is one of my close guy friends. He's always a dick to me, so we're gonna see what he's gonna say. His name's Kevin, by the way. So I need your reaction on something. You're gonna be on my YouTube channel, so be nicer than you usually are. I cut my hair, so it helped me, and I wanna know how you think of it.
Actually, I'm not gonna lie, you look a lot better.
Pretty good, right? It looks healthy, right? I did a good job for my first time.
Damn, Maya, if I didn't know you, I would shoot my shot.
No way! That's the nicest thing.
I've never heard him say that.
That's the nicest thing. That's the nicest thing Kevin's ever said to me.
Wow.
Thanks,
You look a lot
buddy.
brighter, dude.
Brighter? Do I look more? I think I look more sophisticated.
You look more classy. Like before, I classified you as like a possum.
So now she's a raccoon.
No, right now I'm like a baby seal.
No, you're more like yo. What are those things called? Those animals?
Oh,
that
guinea
are-
pigs.
Huh?
Naked mole rats.
No. That was her before.
Bitch.
So she's
Right
a
now,
squirrel.
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 She's like
Chipmunk.
a swan.
Are you just saying this because I'm putting you on YouTube?
I swear, like, thank God. Oh my God, I didn't know I was gonna see you like this.
Yay! Thanks, Min.
That's literally it, dude.
Okay, that's all I needed. Thanks. So we got approval. Okay, bye. Good night.
Okay, we did it. It was
We
quicker.
did it.
It was quicker than expected. I'm not gonna lie, I think I might have a future career. What do you Not bad.
Looks healthy.
Let's throw a fucking party right now. My hair looks healthy for the first time in 5 years.
Dyeing your own hair.
Better than dyeing your own hair.
Shit, that thing on the floor was your hair?
Yeah. What did you think it was? Really? Yeah, we cut. Honestly, it's because of me, James. I was like, okay, let's go. Yeah.
Yay! Thank you. Thanks for all the tip. We definitely followed it.
I didn't follow it. I just cut. But.
Ooh, there's a lot of hair putting my ass. So what do you guys think? Thank you, Soy, for helping me cut my hair.
Venmo me a food with soy.
Thank you so much for being a part of this. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this, but I think this is good for memories. I've never cut my own hair like this, and I'm sure, have you cut hair before?
No, it's my first time. It felt very liberating.
I feel like I could run for president right now.
You can't, because you're not
A citizen. If you guys made it to the end of this video, I hope you found this entertaining. This is like literally me like stepping out of my comfort zone into like a different planet, because I never thought that I would have short hair like this. If you guys want to check Soy's pages out, I will leave it in the description below, and if you want to check me out, I will also do the same. Feel free to follow along with our journey, and I will see you guys later this week. Bye!